Hey guys, I'm Aurora and I'm a part of the Forex Strategies Resources team. Today, I want to show you a very simple but also very profitable scalping system for trading the lowest time frame available on all trading platforms, the M1 1 minute chart. Most traders nowadays think that M1 scalping is a very hard task to do. But at the end of this report, you will discover that when you know how to trade properly, even M1 can be a very profitable time frame, especially when you don't have so much time to spend in front of your screen. Now I show you step by step how to add indicators. Go to Indicators. In the search, write Moving Averages Exponential. Enter two moving averages and configure the parameters as per setup. After, insert the stochastic oscillator and configure the parameters as per setup. Trading rules. Long entry rules. The 50 EMA must be above the 100 EMA. We wait for the price to retrace back to the EMAs. The stochastic oscillator must cross above the 20 level from below. As soon as all the conditions above are met, we can open a buy order. The stop loss is set 2 to 3 pips below the last swing low point of the 100 EMA, whichever is closer. The take profit target is set 7 to 12 pips away from our entry. Long trade example. In the image, we have a long trade example on the EUR-USD. The vertical line A marks the long trade setup. First, the 50 EMA is above the 100 EMA and this gives the signal to look for long entries only. The price retraced back to the 100 EMA and the stochastic oscillator crossed above the 20 level from below, which gave us the actual entry trigger. A long trade was opened at the close of the signal candle, where all the conditions above were met along the horizontal line B at 1.29333. Immediately after the long position was opened, a stop loss of 6 pips was set at 1.29273. That is exactly 2 pips below the last swing low point, horizontal line C. Then, a take profit target of 12 pips above the entry was set at 1.29453, horizontal line D. As you can see, the profit target was hit 4 minutes later. Now let's take a look at short trade conditions. Short entry rules. The 50 EMA must be below the 100 EMA. Wait for the price to retrace back to the EMAs. The stochastic oscillator must cross below the 8 level from above it. As soon as all the conditions above are met, we can place a sell trade. The stop loss is set 2 to 3 pips below the last swing high point of the 100 EMA, whichever is closer. The take profit is set 7 to 12 pips away from our entry. Short trade example. Here is a short trade on the AUD-USD. The vertical line A marks a short trade setup. Firstly, the 50 EMA was below the 100 EMA, and this tells us to look for short entries only. The price retraced back to the area between the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA, and the actual short entry signal was given by the stochastic oscillator that crossed below the 80 level from above. Immediately, a short trade was placed at the close of the signal candle, where the conditions above were met along the horizontal line B at 1.02397. Then a stop loss of 5 pips was set at 1.02445, and that's exactly 3 pips above the last swing high point horizontal line C. Then a take profit of 12 pips below the entry was set at 1.02277 horizontal line D. The profit target was hit 9 minutes later. Other examples of trades. Subscribe, like, comment and share on this video.